Ever wondered how to set up a safe and compliant campsite? Understanding the Occupational Safety and Health Administration's regulations is a good place to start. These rules cover a variety of aspects, from site selection and shelter requirements to water supply and sewage disposal. When choosing a site, ensure it's adequately drained and at least 200 feet away from swamps, pools, or other water collections. The drainage system should be safe and not pose a threat to water supplies. Shelters are another vital aspect. They should offer protection against the elements and have at least 50 square feet of floor space per person. Windows and exterior openings should be screened for ventilation. Water supply is crucial. The campsite must have an approved water source capable of delivering 35 gallons per person per day. Drinking fountains should be provided based on the camp's occupancy, and sharing drinking cups is a no-no. Toilet facilities should be well ventilated, adequately lit, and regularly cleaned. Separate facilities for each sex are a necessity in shared campsites. In terms of sewage disposal, public sewer connections are required where available. Laundry, hand washing, and bathing facilities must be adequate and equipped with hot and cold running water. Floors should be smooth and moisture resistant. Lighting is another important aspect. Rooms must be equipped with lighting fixtures and convenient outlets. For refuse disposal, approved containers must be provided within specific distances from shelters. These containers should be fly-tight and rodent-tight. Food handling facilities must comply with sanitation ordinances. Kitchens and dining halls should be separate from living quarters. Effective measures must be taken to prevent infestation and harborage of pests. Adequate first aid facilities must be available at all times. The camp superintendent is responsible for reporting individuals with communicable diseases to the local health officer promptly. In a nutshell, these regulations aim to ensure a safe and healthy camping experience. For those using a DIY composting toilet, make sure to follow proper containment and disposal methods. Female campers might consider a portable camping toilet for added convenience. Remember, camping is about enjoying nature, but it's also about being responsible and respectful of the environment and those around you. So be safe, be compliant, and happy camping.